YIZUMI HPM always recognizes the strategic importance of the North American market and is committed to further expanding its presence in the region. In the future, we plan to strengthen our local support infrastructure, including sales and services networks, to better serve our customers in North America. Additionally, we are in the process of expanding Ohio factory, which will be done in October, and continue to invest in market research and product development tailored to specific needs and preference of North American customers. Through these efforts, we aim to solidify our position as a leading provider of injection molding solutions in the North American market.
YIZUMI,